Hey everybody, Tyler with Turnage Motors again with a Toyota Avalon we just got in. It's a 2001 with just over 220,000 miles. Very nice car. If you've ever driven one of these, you know they run very well and they're very smooth cars suspension wise. I'd say for a 2001 it's in good condition. Sorry about the wind. We have a few spots there on the hood. A little spot there on the bumper. And then the interior is really good. So it's got sunroof and leather seats. Great shape for 20-something-year-old seats. And there's the mileage. You see just over 220,000. It's clean in here. The sunroof does work. It's a V6 and we're gonna run it through our shop and service it. So it's gonna be a great car for someone. Call us or text us 803-853-4300. We're in Lexington at 4637 Augusta Road. Website's confidentcashcars.com. And before I end the video, forgot to mention that as far as an imperfection. So, good little scrape right there on the rear passenger door. But let us know if you're interested. Thank you.